Okay, a little tutorial just to make sure that it's clear what the step sheet says. So, starting with the left foot's crossing over, weight on the right, we're going to go into a cross weave, cross, side, back, side, cross rock, recover, and. So that count is 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. From here we do a cross shuffle to the left, cross, side, cross, and then on and we'll bring our foot up to here, then step, quarter turn, and doing a PK 3/8 to our 430 diagonal. So the count on all of that is 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we're on our right foot on count 8. Now we do the syncopated rocks with point steps. So we rock forward 1, point and, step back 2, step ball together and 3, rock back, point and, step forward 4, and then on and we bring our foot into a little passe, the toe at the ankle, getting ready to step forward into our serpentine weave. So the count on that first half of the next set of 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So from here we're going to step forward, squaring up to 6 o'clock, 5 with a sweep, cross, side, behind with a sweep, cross, side, so or behind side. So the total count of 8 on the second set of 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So we end up with our weight on our left foot. Stepping in the third set of 8, we're going to step forward towards 6 o'clock and go into a half pivot turn with a step. So it's 1, 2 and, then a twinkle type step, which is cross 3 and 4, so back, back, or back together on and 4. Then we're going to step forward on the right foot, sweeping the left, 5, this is still to the 1030 diagonal, cross, side, back, back with a lift of the front leg and sweeping the right hand from kind of face all the way down to ankle as that foot lifts. On the step sheet I say like you're undoing a zipper. So the count on that last third set of 8, I should say, starting facing 6 o'clock, right foot stepping forward, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Fourth set of 8, we're going to step forward on the left foot for 1. Then do another twinkle step, but this is a half this time, so it's going to be 8th, quarter, 8th, or roughly that. You're going to be turning so that you end up facing the 430 diagonal, so a half turn. So this is 1, then we're going to do 2 and 3. You're kind of up on the balls of your feet here, collected together on 3. Then step down 4 and 5, so that's step, turn, turn to make a full turn, half on each of the turn, turn steps on and 5. Then touch to the side 6, that's your prep. I find that it's helpful to have the right hand forward here. That's 6, bending both legs a little bit so that you have some impetus to turn around. Then you're going to turn to the right, a full turn, jazz turn, pirouette, and 8 is step down on the right and point to your left foot to the side. So that fourth set of 8 all together is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Carrying on, fifth set of 8, little bourrées forward or lock steps on the balls of the feet. We step forward, forward, lock, forward, forward, point, side, lunge, then wrap, ball, point, step, sweep. The count on that is 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, wrap 6, and 7, 8. So you're still sweeping on 8. You don't actually step down until one of the next set of 8. So on the 6th set of 8, we're going to go cross, side, back. This is a quarter diamond, back, side, cross. Our wall is 3 o'clock, but our leg is crossed. Now we're going to turn back to the right, turn, 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 coupe, back, half, forward. So the whole thing comes out of the sweep. After the lunge, we're sweeping forward and it goes cross, side, back on the diagonal, back, side, cross, quarter, 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 coupe, back, half, forward. And then the whole dance starts again. But after the first wall facing 6 o'clock, you'll have the 2-beat tag where you just go step, step. And on the step sheet I mentioned that you can do that little pickup of the leg as if you're stepping up over a curb or something. 1, 2. It just makes it look a little bit more dainty. And then the restart happens once again facing 6 o'clock. You will have just finished, that's after the third wall, or during the third wall, you will have just finished doing your lunge and point, sweep, and then instead of going into your quarter diamond, you'll go into your cross weave to start the dance again. So that's the whole choreography. Hopefully that answers any questions. From the point of view of the arms, I think much of that's written on the step sheet. Variations that I do when I do the first little twinkle where it says the sky knows when it's time to snow, I usually kind of do my hands down, and when it says the sun comes out and burns so bright, I usually do that instead. I don't think I did on the video, but we can always talk that over, or once Roy's back, he's away right now, but I wanted to try and get this done on my own, we can always tape it again.